You error-proof your assemblies? Why not error-proof your calibration? I'm Russ Hughes, Product Marketing Manager with Desoutter. We're here to show you the auto calibration feature on the new standard in calibration, the wireless rotary transducer. Okay, this is a web user interface for the WRT. I have created a tool. I'm going to do an auto calibration to show you how easy it is. Select the tool I'm going to calibrate, select the operation, then start. So you see a black dot in the graph and a blue dot. Black is the tool, the blue is the WRT value. I'm running 5 rundowns. After the 5th rundown, calculator button is going to be highlighted. The calculator, and it tells me what our new calibration value will be, and there's an offset of 4.31%. Do you want to write this automatically? Yes. So when I hit yes, the new calibration value is automatically written to the tool. The tool is going to reboot, and that's it.